In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange artboards in Adobe Illustrator. If you're working on a project with multiple artboards, keeping them organized can save a lot of time and reduce confusion. Let's start by opening your document in Illustrator so you can see all the artboards you want to tidy up. Once your document is open, head to the top menu and choose Window, then select Artboards. This opens the Artboards panel, which is the control center for everything related to your artboards. At the bottom of this panel, you'll find a small grid icon labeled Rearrange All Artboards. Click that. This brings up a dialog box where you'll tell Illustrator how to lay out the artboards for you. The nice thing about this feature is that it's automatic. Once you set your preferences, Illustrator does the heavy lifting and arranges everything in a neat grid. First, choose your layout, rows or columns. Pick rows if you want your artboards to flow across the screen from left to right, moving down to new lines as needed. Choose columns if you prefer a vertical flow, stacking artboards from top to bottom before moving across. Think about your workflow and how you review your designs. Rows often match how we read, while columns can be great for step-by-step vertical sequences. Next, set the spacing. This controls the distance between each artboard. A small value keeps the layout compact, which is great for quick comparisons, while a larger value gives your designs more breathing room. The spacing uses your document's units, so it's consistent with the rest of your setup. If you ever feel like elements look cramped, simply increase this number. Then choose the order. Left to right will place artboards in the typical reading direction across, then down. Top to bottom stacks them vertically before moving over. Pick whichever mirrors the way you present or proof your content. This order can help with exporting or reviewing in sequence later on. Once your layout, spacing, and order look good, click OK. Illustrator instantly rearranges all the artboards based on your choices. The contents of each artboard stay with it, so you won't lose alignment or positioning as they move into the new grid. Take a moment to zoom out and review the results. If something doesn't feel quite right, you can reopen the dialog and adjust your settings until it matches your workflow. That's all there is to it. With the Artboards panel and the Rearrange All Artboards